Hi, I'm Helmi, CARRO's head mechanic. Today I'm going to show you how you can replace your car air filter yourself. The function of an air filter is to prevent dust and debris from entering your engine. It's one of the most crucial parts in your car and will affect your car's performance if left unchanged. That's why you should replace your air filter regularly, at least once a year or every 50,000 kilometers. It's quite inexpensive and really easy to change too. Here's how. First, you need to open up the bonnet and locate the air filter housing. This is the air filter housing for this car. For most Asian cars, it's quite easy to replace and access the air filter. Just two clips. Slide it back, put it back on, done. If you need help with any of your car repairs, do come and visit us at Sin Ming Auto City.